bawal talaga ako bumili. Nakabook ba yun? Sabi ko sa vlog kanina, maglalasal yan. Please tayo. May kita nila na sa labas tayo. Oh my God, ang peaceful pag ganito. Dapat talaga na tayo lumilibot talaga. Weekdays. Medyo malamig lang. Oo nga. Eh, naka-jacket pa ako. Choco. Ako din, please. Dalawang ganon. Kasi anim tayo. Guess the bill mamaya.
Oh my God!
Ano pa? Guess the bill siya. Mag-rice ba tayo? Oo. Sige. Guess the price. Or the bill. Talikod. Guess the price. Guess the price. Guess the bill. Guess the bill. Nasa 40. Ay, 48. Wala. Ikaw lang. 3, 8, 3, 6. Oh, 3, 7. 3, 6, 6. Hindi ko nga nasa 40. Oh, ilang? 3, 3. Sabi ko na
3972.
3972.
Oh!
Hindi, nandoon kasi. Ayun na talaga yun.
39. Ayun na? 39. 3975. Sabi ko na 39. Pero siya pinakatama. Sabi ko na hindi siya 3975. Hindi siya abot. Yay. Yun tayo eh.
Nang?
Ayun din eh.
Sige.
Tapos parang, hindi naman.
Careful po green squash and shrimp xiaolong bao. I suggest to consume it first because it has a light flavor po. You can try it without any sauce. Be careful lang po mainit. Salamat po.
Tapos gaganon na, di ba?
Tapos, di ba pag sinabi namin din life, fully book next.
Nag-graduate na yung ate ko.
Bakit? No. Kakain pa din ako.
Tatlo na lang siya.
Where?
Go buy it.
Uy, hindi ganyang scalpan day binibili ko.
Tatlo bibilihin mo.
Guys, bawal talaga ako bumili. Nakabukban ako. Gusto kong bilhin yung bagong libro ni Ali Hazelwood. This is not healthy.
Color frame? Uy, one yan ako. Hindi may balik type heart. Ay, bahala. Sige, yan na lang. Uy, yan. Ano yung gagawin natin? Ayun na. Ha? Oh my God! Uy, pasok. Uy, wala. Dito ka sa akin. Grabe, Diyos ko. May isa pa. Wala.
Wala.
Grabe! Ate, nasa baba talaga. Wala akong kano. Uy, maganda na yung kanina. Bro, ang stress. Lawag na. Props na sa inyo. Hawak.
Lagi ko na ito ngayon.
Sige din mo.
Ako masarap yan. Mahilig na lang sa peach kasi.
Boy ba yan in order mo?
Hindi. Ha?
Boy yan in order mo?
Rose.
Is it aesthetic?
Hi guys! Hinihil ulit namin yung inner child namin. Si Ash! Hi guys, good evening. Sorry if my parang lisp. I'm currently wearing my aligners, but today is a Monday. Today is February 27. It's currently 8:22 p.m. and today is our first day of prelims. Okay. So there were oh my god! Grabe tenga yung nakakabaliw nga yung araw, guys. Okay. So I think I haven't updated you in a while. So the last video that you saw or the video clips that you saw was last week pa. Masaya pa kami noon. Sobrang saya namin noon. Nagdintefong kami. Woo! Okay. So day 1 is done. But I'm here to update you what happened earlier. Also pala, before I explain everything, I just wanna say that ayun nga, yung dapat mong sasabihin kanina na there were last minute changes to our schedule para sa exam. Kasi mawawalan kami ng pasok tomorrow. Pero yun, kasama kami sa suspension. And buti na lang. Kasi kung tuloy-tuloy yung prelims, baka patay na ako! Actually, wala namang, gusto ko talaga sabihin kung gaano ako stress ngayong araw. Hindi lang naman ako yung stress. Pero grabe talaga. Iba yung ngayon. Talagang ramdam ko ngayon na mas humihirap yung course ko. And I'm scared of what's gonna come for me in the next few months. Especially that the battery exam is just around the corner. So today, so the original schedule for today was just supposed to be parasitology, pero sinabay yung labman or yung laboratory management. From 8 a.m. to 11 or 12-ish, we had our moving exam for parasitology, and then we also had the oral revalida. But we weren't able to make the cut because sobrang dami namin. So kami, it's either baka Thursday or next week. We still have to wait for the advice of our teacher sa para-laboratory. And then after that, of course, meron kaming written exam for parasitology clinical parasitology lecture. And then after that, we have the clinical parasitology laboratory exam or written exam, and then we have the labman exam. Guys, 36 hours na akong gising. I'm not even kidding. Like, kaya ngayon nasa higaan na ako kasi I don't know, I might sleep ngayong 8:26 p.m. pa lang kasi ko din alam paano ko na nakakaya. Pero I'm sure it's not just me. I know that my batchmates are also struggling. Pero grabe talaga, like, alam kong mas may itutodo pa to. Hindi pa to yon kasi nasisilip namin yung schedule ng 3rd year. Baka wala na akong social life nun. Yun yung nangyari today. So tomorrow, we're gonna be studying for MT laws, medtech laws, and bioethics. And then, histology naman. Amen. So, yun lang yung update. Gusto ko lang kayo i-update na. Woo! So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll sleep na. See you tomorrow. Hi guys! So, today is February 26. Today is a Wednesday na. So, dalawang main subjects yung exam for today. So, for 7:30, we have MT Laws until I think 9. And then after that, we have Histology for lecture, and then Histology for lab, and then Histology lab, moving exam. So, ayun. Kasama na din dun yung magfo-focus kami ng microscope for 30 seconds lang. Ayun. And then identifying the tissues. Ayun lang. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-film yesterday habang nag-aaral. Kasi ang dami talaga. Like, I can't get myself to set and then press the record button. Ganun siya kalala. So anyways, I'm gonna head to school na. It's currently 7. I have 30 minutes to spare. But I really wanna, tuwing may ganap or exam, I go there early for me to settle down. Ayan.
It's okay. Wala mong problema sa akin. Hindi ako naninibago. Ano? Yung stringated stringated fiber. Huh? Wala yung smooth. Smooth? So smooth? Wala ka ba?
Di ba may sinabi din dyan kung anong klaseng tao? Kasi di ba athletes, gano'n.
Glycogen. Myofibrils.
Guys, sobrang hirap tayo. Natatawa na lang ako sa hirap. I love my course so much. I love my Guys, fast is fast. We have to move forward. Muscular tendons.
Myoplastic. Nag-laro ko ng series, tapos kung ano yung magagawin ko.
I'm dead. Hi guys, so I'm back in the dorm and tapos na yung exam day. Well, ito yung kino-consider ko na last day since tomorrow. Isang subject na lang naman yung tomorrow and STS yun. It's a minor subject, so baka tomorrow na lang ako mag-study for it since I've been awake for, I don't know, 30 hours, 34, ganon. So right now, I'm going to take a bath. I'm gonna buy my food. I'm planning to buy Kenny Rogers kasi I really wanna reward myself for surviving. And then, pahinga lang tayo tonight. Hi guys! So, hindi na ako nag-shower kasi medyo sumasakit yung puson ko since it's my first day, nadatnan ako sa school. So yeah, so this is my food. Again, it's from Kenny Rogers. I ordered their Solo A since gusto ko lang talaga magkalaman yung tiyan ko. So, ayun. Yay for food talaga. Hi guys! So, today is the next morning. Natulog lang ako buong gabi and I did read some of the notes since today matutuloy or na-reschedule yung oral revalida for parasitology. So, basically, we have to bunot dun sa fishbowl and then whatever parasite we get there, ipapakita yung itsura pero hindi papabasa sa amin yung nabunot namin. And then, we have to we have to reiterate what parasite that is. And then, kailangan, yung parts niya, masabi namin. And then, ano yung life cycle niya, ano yung pwedeng gamot sa kanya, and then, if anong pwedeng mode of transmission niya, paano siya nakakalat or paano siya nakakahawa sa ibang tao, or even sa animals. So, right now, I'm studying it, and, ayun, mamayang 4 p.m. pa naman kasi yung exam for STS. Ayun. That's the ganap for today. And then, na-mention ko na ata na I'm going back to Parañaque later since we don't have pasok na for the rest of the week. Thank God. I need to go home. Hindi ko na kaya maging independent girl after that 2 days na nangyari. Oh my God. I'm drained. So, I guess by this vlog, napakita ko sa inyo yung reality ng midterms, which is why I rarely vlog it. Yeah, that's the update. I have no ligo yet, and baka hindi muna talaga ako maligo hanggang sa pag-uwi ko later. Ayan lang. Nakabawi ako sa para! I love Balantidium coli.